Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see enable server-side encryption with customer managed keys on an existing disk. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I'm logged on to the portal and this is where we left. Let me go to my VM that was created. So let's say this is a VM on which we have not enabled the server-side encryption using the customer managed keys. So you will have to go to the disk. If you will see here this disk that we created, if you will see the encryption at rest with a customer managed key, right? Let's say if it is default, right? So you will go to the VM, you will stop the VM, and you will wait till the VM stops. I'm going to pause the video and come back. Okay, the virtual machine is stopped. Now we go to the disks. You select the disk. You click on encryption. Right. So here this option is grayed out, but because I previously configured this as encryption at rest with a customer managed key. But if you would have gone with the default encryption like you see here, so if I show you what the option I'm talking about, select it. And so East US, set the password. Now on the disk section, you see the encryption at rest with a platform managed key. If this option would have been selected, so then after stopping the VM, I would have got an option to change it to the with a customer managed key. Let me show that to you. Let me create this VM. I'm going to pause the video and come back when this VM is up. Okay, the VM is up. Now if I stop it, click on OK. Okay, now this VM is stopped. I'm going to go to disk and I'm click on the disk. Click on encryption. You see encryption at rest with a platform managed key. If I want to change it, I will do encryption at rest with a customer managed key. Disk encryption set. I'm going to select the one that I've created and I will click on save. It is updating the disk. If you would see, the encryption is changed to encryption at rest with a customer managed key. That is how you do it. So I believe this video was informational for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.